All right, looks like we fixed the audio. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin going above $75,000. Key indicators you should be looking at. High caps from Ethereum, Solana, BNB, to mid caps, to micro cap gems. Those are the markets we will be focused on and where we like to play, from high market cap evaluation, 1 trillion plus with Bitcoin, all the way down to a sub-billion-dollar valuation with meme coins. We talk about coins such as Pepe, Brett. We talk about coins such as Stan. We talk about Mother, Daddy. We talk about SPX 6900. We talk about all the crypto coins that are going to be flooded with money now that Bitcoin has gone from 68 and a half all the way up to 75,000 plus. So this is something to look out for. If you guys are making a lot of money in this bull run, smash that like button, comment below what coins you're looking at. But make sure you have a community where you follow these types of updates and stay up to tune. If you're not on my YouTube, make sure you check out my free school community, the Bull Run Blueprint, to help you in 2024, end of Q4, and 2025.